Hey everybody, welcome back to a special Two Car Guys. This is actually part of our ongoing build series. So today we're going to be installing something from K&N. This is a K&N oil separator, or a catch can. A lot of people call it a catch can. And the reason why is because it brings in dirty oil vapor, and then through filtering, it's going to filter out the oil and filter out the air, put clean air back into the system, into your engine, and separate out the oil. The neat thing, the reason why I chose K&N over some of the other brands is because most brands have a 3-ounce can. K&N goes with a 6-ounce can. So let's go ahead and unbox this real quick so you guys can see it. This is how it gets shipped. And inside, this is going to be applicable for all of these models. You can see this here. We're going to be putting this on our 2023 Raptor, which does fall in line here. There's only a few pieces, which is really nice, but you've got factory style connectors on the front and the back. So 2 hoses. We're replacing one hose, putting one hose going into the can, one hose coming out of the can. You've got your bracket that's going to attach to the battery. And then in here, you've got your catch can. Now, what's really nice about this can is it's all aluminum. It's threaded on both sides for the inlet and the outlet. What's really nice about this, you guys can't see it in there, but there is a filter in there. And then if you're to open it up, just like a regular, it almost looks like an oil filter. But if you're to open it up, the bottom of this is going to have a filter as well. So the dirty air is going to come in through here. It's going to filter through. It's going to bring the oil out the bottom of the separator, and then the clean air comes out this side. And as you guys see, it's branded on top of the K&N logo. So everything in here is really, really good construction. It's going to come with all the pieces you need. We've got the bolts to attach it not just to the battery, but also to the top of the filter. We've got the elbows for both of the hoses. And then they even include some thread tape to go ahead and install it so there's no leaks or anything like that. Now, this does say it's about a 30 to 40 minute install. Should be pretty easy. We're going to film it along the way so you guys can see what's going on. But I'm interested in getting this thing in. So let's see how it goes. Okay, guys. So we're in the garage. We've let the truck cool down so we can get to the engine area. I've taken off the cover on top of the motor. This is going to be our catch can. I went ahead and installed the elbows already. I put the pipe tape on them so you can see that, and used a adjustable wrench to torque them down in this angle, which is what it shows on the instructions. Here we are. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the existing hose. If you look right here, this is the existing hose. I've already unclipped it. It's basically going to come straight out. We're going to go from this brown connector to the catch can, the black connector to the catch can. We're going to start by mounting our bracket in this existing hole over here, like this. And then our catch can will go underneath it, and we'll go ahead and connect the hoses, and then we'll put the top on. It should be great. So let's go ahead and get started with that. All right, so we went ahead and installed this. We've put the screws in it to hold it in place. You see that the K&N logo is facing the battery. Little arms are facing out. The pipe or the hose with the kink in the arm has to go here so that the cover can go back on. And then this hose is going to go in the back. So again, push it all the way in until you hear the positive click. We're going to go ahead and move this out of the way here. And then we just want to kind of snake it back through there. Plug it up in here, and we're good to go. So this is going to be all set up. We're going to go ahead and put the cover back on it, and it should be ready to go. All right, everybody. So on the scale of 1 to 5, that was probably about a 1. Pretty simple. You're only going to need to drill one hole, and it's super, super simple to do that. We've got it installed now. It looks really good, again, with the factory-style hoses. We took this little hose out. This is what you're replacing with the 2 longer hoses that are in here. We went ahead and put the Raptor cover back on, and we're good to go. So There are a lot of other catch can options out here. This video is not sponsored by K&N. It just happens to be the one I chose because of the capacity and because of the fitment. But this is the truck we're working on right now is a Gen 3 Raptor with the with the 3.5 liter high output. So it's got the V6 in it. This will work for V6s and V8s. You know, make sure you check the fitment for your particular vehicle. But I strongly recommend it. I think it's good for the longevity of your engine. I think it's just good in general. Keeps it nice and clean. But make sure, if you haven't done it already, make sure you're liking, sharing, and subscribing to our videos, and definitely come back for more on the build series. Our next big modification to this truck is going to be exhaust, thanks to our friends at AWE. So more to come on that. See you guys.